All right, you guys, I got a 2008 Charger. Lost keys. Okay, so alarm is going off right now. You know, go ahead and put Chrysler, because Dodge, Chrysler, and Jeep, same thing. So agree. Okay, so we're gonna do immobilizer / fobik, auto, type 4. Okay. So we're gonna go ahead and read security code 1228. Okay. So we're gonna go ahead and program brand new key. Okay, so we're gonna insert the new key and switch ignition on. Okay. So there's the new key. So we're gonna insert the new key. Okay. So key is inserted. We're gonna go ahead and press OK. So the code is 1228. Okay. Progress success. Okay, so it's easy like that. Key's already programmed. Okay. So go ahead and turn it off. Disconnect your OBD. Now the key and the remote should program together. Okay. So you don't have to program the remote separately. It programs together. Thank you guys for watching. If this video helped you guys out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, you guys.